Hi, today I would like to show you the new Hearivo QV Pro behind the ear hearing aids with Bluetooth, sound control, and tinnitus masking. First thing I'd like to show you is what's included in the box. Here's the box. There's a little sleeve in here. This sleeve includes a tip card, a user manual, at the top an accessories kit, and then the actual hearing aids. The first thing I'd like to show you is the accessories kit. It comes with a USB to Type-C connector. It comes with some wax guards, several different sized soft ear domes, and the last thing in the box is a cleaning brush. Next, I'd like to show you what's actually inside the charging case. But when you open it up, your hearing aids are actually inside there. Now, there's one very important thing with these hearing aids that you're going to need to do. When you take them out, you'll notice at the very bottom there's a blue sticker. You're going to want to peel up that sticker and remove it because that's blocking the charging port from charging, and then put it back into the charging case. For the first time you receive it, you're going to want to charge it overnight. You'll see that there's a charging indicator on the very front of these. That's indicating how much charge is actually available for each of the hearing aids and the portable charging case itself. Next thing I'd like to show you is the hearing aid. You'll see the bigger part here is the control unit. That's what sits on top of your ear. The other part here is there's a thin wire. It's actually a wire, not a tube, that goes to the receiver, and then the receiver with the ear dome on it goes into your ear canal. Then you'll notice that there's a function button. Now it's kind of like a toggle. So there's a top button and a bottom button. Now this controls most of the hearing aid functions when you're not using Bluetooth. So if you want to increase the volume, you just tap the top button, and that goes up to 6 different volume levels. If you want to go down in volume, once again, you would tap the bottom part of the hearing aid. Also on the very top of the hearing aid, it actually has dual microphones. So you'll see there's some microphones here at the top and then one at the bottom. That allows you to pick up more conversations that are in front of you and conversations that are towards the back of you. This hearing aid also comes with 4 different sound modes. There's a general mode, an inside mode, outside mode, and tinnitus masking. Get into that, what you want to do is press the top button, push and hold that for about 3 seconds, and then you'll hear it. It'll tell you it's going into sound modes. And at that point, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4 to get into each of the different sound modes. So one of the nice things about these hearing aids is that you can control them using Bluetooth and a sound control app. So if you want to do that, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your phone, go to settings, and then Bluetooth settings, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then you're going to want to look for 5118L. Then you're going to want to go to either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download the app for these hearing aids, which is called ForSound, FORSOUND. That's one word. And then once you open it up, you can pair to the hearing aids. At that point, you can take a hearing test. Then you can select from the sound modes. You can also customize the sounds and set sound levels. If you wanted to, you could also take the hearing aids and the app into your audiologist and have them customize the settings for you. So the next thing I'd like to show you is how to wear the hearing aid. The very top big part here is the control unit. Now that sits on the very top of your ear, and then the wire, you'll see the wire, that goes to the receiver, and the receiver sits in your ear canal. So put it into the back, sit on the very top of your ear like this, and then insert the receiver into your ear canal. And if you're hearing a lot of squealing on it, that usually means that the dome sizes that you're using, the ear domes, are the wrong size, and you need to change those up and get a different size. The next thing is that's very nice about these is that the product is guaranteed. Has a 45-day return policy. It also has a 1-year manufacturer warranty. So within 1 year from the time you purchase it, if anything is defective about them or is not working, we'll either send you a new pair or give you your money back. Thanks a lot. I appreciate your time.